early learners. I have a beehive. Oh no, all of the bees have flown away. Let's find them. Look, I found some colorful nests. Let's see what's inside of the eggs. Let's start with the purple egg. Open. It's a purple ring. One purple ring. Let's count to 1. 1. What's in the red egg? Let's open it up. Open. More rings. Let's count the rings. 1, 2. 2 red rings. Let's see what's in the orange egg. Orange. Open. Rings again. Let's count how many rings. 1, 2, 3. 3 orange rings. This nest has 2 eggs. They're both blue. This is light blue. And this is dark blue. Let's open the light blue egg first. Open. Rings again. And let's count them. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 light blue rings. Let's see what's in the dark blue. Open. More rings. There's more and more. Let's count the dark blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dark blue rings. Let's see what's in the green egg. Open. Rings, of course. Let's count the green rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green rings. One more egg. This egg is yellow. Let's open the yellow egg. Open. It's tricky, but we can do it. There we go. Yellow rings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yellow rings. What can I do with all these rings? I know. Let's use my magic wand. Let's tap the color and see if anything happens. Look! A purple bee appeared. Let's tap the next color. Say red. Red. Look! A red bee appeared. Say orange. Orange. Ta-da! It's an orange bee. Let's do the light blue. Say light blue. Light blue. Wow, a light blue bee. Now let's do the dark blue. Say dark blue. Dark blue. 2 bees in the blue bowl. 1, 2. Let's do the green. Say green. Wow, a green bee appeared. One more color. Say yellow. The yellow bee is here. Now we have all of our bee friends. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bee friends. Let's say a poem about bees. We can use our hands. Put one hand in a fist. Say, here is the beehive. But where are the bees? Hiding away so nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zzz, watch out. Let's put the bees back in the hive. Let's start with the purple bee. Zzz. Here's the purple bee. Put it gently in the hole. Let's put the red bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, red bee. Zzz. Here's the red bee. Put it in. Let's put the orange bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, orange bee. Here's the orange bee. Uh-oh. It's okay to make a mistake. Let's just try again. Put it in. Orange bee. Let's put the light blue bee back in the hive. Here we go. Here's the light blue bee. Here's light blue. Go in there, bee. Yay. Let's put the dark blue bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, blue bee. Oh no, we can't do it. Here's the blue bee. Does it go in here? No. Does it go in here? No. It goes right in the middle. Put it in. Uh-oh. Let's try it this way. Remember, mistakes are how we learn, and we have to practice to get better. Let's put the green bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, green bee. Here's a green bee. Put it in the green hole. Very carefully. Only one bee left. Let's put the yellow bee back in the hive. Bye-bye, yellow bee. Here's the yellow bee. Let's put it in the yellow hole. Get in there, bumblebee. Let's count how many bees we put back into the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We put 7 bees back into the hive. Great job, early learners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning videos. Bye.